Hello, welcome to Presentation Tips. With me, Gregory. Eye contact when making presentations is very, very important. As a habit, what happens sometimes is we start to talk to a whiteboard. We especially do this when we're actually having slide decks on PowerPoint. We start to read presentation tips off of our slides. This is of course disengaging for our audience because what our audience want to see is us and not our whiteboard or our flip chart or our slides. So when addressing our audience, if we need to stop and write something, allow the space to be there. It's quite okay. The audience doesn't mind because they can see what you're doing. Always when talking, address your audience and maintain eye contact. Thank you.